Hi guys, I am Diksha Shetty. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a very easy Garba look. So first of all, I am using this moisturizer, and then I'm taking this orange lipstick from L'Oreal and applying it on my under eyes and those areas where I have acne scars, and then with the help of my fingers I'm going to blend it nicely. And the next step is using foundation. You can take any of your favorite foundation. Here I am using a MAC Studio Fix, and with the help of the brush I am applying it all over my face, neck and ear. Next I'm taking this concealer from MAC again and applying it on my under eyes and around my lips area where it's a little dark, and with the help of the same foundation brush I'm just going to blend it evenly. Paint pot from MAC. It's a best primer for eyelids and is in a creamy texture, very easy to apply and is blendable, and it makes a good base to apply eyeshadows, and trust me guys, it locks the eyeshadow for at least 5 to 6 hours straight, and even the eyeshadows show up really nice. And then I'm taking this Studio Fix compact powder and applying it on my face, neck and ear area. You can use any powder powder compacts. Now it's time to draw eyebrows. I do have very light eyebrows, so I'm taking this eyebrow pencil from Kiko. It is in the light grayish brown shade, very perfect for my skin tone, and the pencil in itself is very easy to use, and on the other hand it has this pulley or a brush, so after applying the eyebrows you can just use this pulley or brush to even out or brush it off. And take your own time to apply your eyebrows. I really like a dark and thick eyebrows. Next it's time to apply eyeshadow. I'm taking the darkest brown shadow from my palette. I'm using this BH Cosmetics, not my favorite one, but yes, it has a lot of colors. Taking the darkest brown color, I'm applying it on my outer crease area and blending it. Now it takes a little time to blend this out, but take your own time and blend it until there is no harsh edges. Then taking lighter brown shade from the same palette, and with the help of a blending brush I'm even outing or smoothing that crease area. Now keep blending till you feel that it's smooth and you don't find any kind of a harsh line. And then I'm taking this maroon shade and applying it on my eyelid. Now this BH Cosmetic shadows are not highly pigmented, so I need to build the color. You can even use your fingers to apply this. Again, take as much as time you need and apply it. With the help of same blending brush, I'm again blending the outer crease areas and smoothing it. I'm really not satisfied, that's the reason I'm doing this. And again I'll take the same maroon shade and apply it on the inner eyelid so that the color pops up. And because BH Cosmetics shadows are not that pigmented, I really need to build those colors, and I'm not sure why my camera is picking the wrong color. It's actually maroon. And then with the help of flat brush I am going to take the same maroon shade and applying it on my lower eyelids. lining my eyelids using this liner from Kiko, which is waterproof and best for Garba because it's not going to smudge. And I am roughly lining it because I'm going to be using eyeshadow upon this. Taking the darkest black color and using a very flat brush, I'm just going to apply it on my liner. And just because Kiko liner or this waterproof liner has kind of a shine, I really wanted it to be matte. That's the reason I'm going to apply this. I'm taking the same black shadow and applying it on my lower lid as well. And then I'm taking this mascara. You can take waterproof mascara and apply, or else you can go for falsies. But while if you're really playing Garba, it's not really practical to wear falsies. So I'm just going for plain mascara. And then I'm just contouring my nose and cheek area, and blending it with my fingers and brush. This is just a trick. Yes, I know it looks a little harsh now, but once my makeup is complete, it's going to really look fine. Once the contour is blended, I'm taking this pink shade of blush from the brand Kiko and applying it on my cheeks. Now it's a very beautiful shade and comes in a creamy texture, but very easily blendable. And then I am going to line my lips with this darker brown shade. Again, the lip pencil is from Kiko. And then I'm taking this lipstick from MAC. The shade name is Sin, I guess. Yes, it is Sin. And applying it on my lips. It is not completely matte, so it's very beautiful. And then I'm taking this Kiko's highlighter and applying it on my nose, cupid's bow, cheeks, and everywhere else because it's Garba and I really want to look like a disco ball. To complete the makeup, I'm going to wear this beautiful bindi, and then these tikas, and then I just wanted my collarbones to look, so I'm just going to contour and highlight it. And lastly, I'm going to wear my jewelries, a necklace and earring, and I'm done. I'm all ready for Garba. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.